Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to transplant your basil from a pot into the garden. Here's a clip for the show. Alrighty, so we have compost on this garden, just, a light dusting for the basil, because basil is a light feeder, and we have been feeding the pots. So in order to plant this basil from transplant, we're just going to dig our holes here, turn this plant upside down and push on it, and that will release the pot. We have a beautiful set of roots here, which is perfect. I don't like to disturb the roots. We're just going to go straight in. So we just turn that over, and then we're just going to put that soil in around it. And then within 20 minutes, we want to go ahead and get this watered in, because we want to get the air pockets away from the roots so that we don't get any dead roots. I call that burping the baby. And it's just a great way to get your plants set. So always remember to go ahead and sprinkle, actually not even sprinkle, just soak your plants within 20 minutes of putting them in. So I'm going to put one basil plant in each of the cinder block holes around the garden, and then I'm going to put like 8 or 9 plants down in the center in between the tomatoes. And because basil will grow in low light, we can grow this in between the tomatoes and it'll do just fine. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 11. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.